learn how to take the content that we have created over the last few lessons and push the content to the first kiosk. So in this case, if we had the kiosk that was activated already, if the kiosk was already live and we were changing content on our laptop via the cloud, it would be pushed to the internet, via the internet to the kiosk when the kiosk was online. If it wasn't, it's loaded natively in the kiosks, so that the screen still runs when the system has a low internet connection. In this case, we're just trying to take our new kiosk and we want to load it up for the first time. So what we have to do is we as part of this process is that we've taken our content, we've worked it on our system, and now we want to get it into the cloud. Now we want to get it onto our kiosk. So what we have to do is in this case we're using the single user license, which of course is free with the MAPTmedia introductory single user license up to 45 meg. And in this case, what you'll see if I click on the upper right hand side is you can see a key. So in this case, I have a key set for myself on my computer, which means that this information and this license is set for X27HRC, which is very important that you write that down. So as you're working with your software, that is basically the unique identifier for your kiosk and direct management. So what we'll do is we'll take this key. Let's go back again here. We'll take this key and we'll put it onto our kiosk. Once this key is on our kiosk, that allows the laptop via the cloud to manage this content. This is only required for the first time, but that's important that is done. So what we do is once we've got that key, we're ready to roll. We want to basically download this to our kiosk. So we hit on download. We come down to our client version, and we want to basically save the file. And you can save the file to a flash drive. That's the way to do that. So we've downloaded that file, and what will happen is that when we get this file and we want to activate it, we can actually launch this application. And we would do this, so we would save this file to our flash drive, and then as we have this product in a flash drive, we would then go to our kiosk and we would take this and plug it into our kiosk, and we would activate it. And what you'll see is I haven't been authenticated yet. So here's the important part is you have to have a screen name. So in this case, it would be MAPTmedia demo. I guess we could just for fun we could say picnic, but and username as well. I'll put that down for myself. And then, of course, the user key. So this is where I would actually put in the X27HRC, and then we'd go accept. So in this case, the application, once I was on my kiosk, would be running. The system would activate itself and load the content into the kiosk. What happens is it takes, once you first load that into the kiosk, so now what we've done, back to this cloud, we've managed the content. We've basically worked on it in our cloud. We've now taken the code, gone to our kiosk, downloaded the driver into a USB drive, loaded that into the kiosk, and now what we've done that, this kiosk and this laptop are now synchronized. And if we go back to our using projects, we can now actually, we'll be able to see each other, and as we change things on this screen, so as I change information now on this screen through the cloud, it would now actually be moving and changed on my kiosk. Again, this is the license that we're using is a single user license. If we had multiple accounts, we would see multiple projects. In this case, we would see multiple projects and we would see multiple screens. So in this case, we can see that we'll show you in a later video there will be an ability to activate a screen onto the actual screen itself. So, but at this point, that is the way that you would take your your MAPTmedia software and install it on your kiosk to get your kiosk software synchronized via the cloud to your account or unique identifier, so you can continue to change all the information as required. Thank you very much for listening to MAPTmedia, and this next video log will keep posting these as we get questions from you on our customer service line. But thank you again for using MAPTmedia software.